Hello everyone, welcome to a new series. This series is to answer the questions asked by metallurgists and students on this great website askmemetallurgy.com. Do check this website out and please post your questions over there related to corrosion and metallurgy in general if you have any. I will be answering the corrosion related questions on these websites. So this video is one of the series where I will use this medium to answer the questions, and video the first question that I'll answer is, in corrosion, why always metal with less potential becomes anodic? So the term less potential is basically more negative potential, and this is related to the EMF series, where the more negative metals will corrode first than the more positive metals. Now this has a few formulae which we can go into, which are related to the Gibbs free energy change. However, let me take the help of a simple example to explain the process. Suppose you have a certain cupboard and you have two suitcases. Now this one is a smaller suitcase, this one is a larger suitcase. To push this suitcase, which is the larger one, from the bottom to the top of the cupboard will take a certain energy, that is a positive energy change. To push the smaller suitcase to the top will take another some energy once again, but it is much easier to push this suitcase to the top than the heavier suitcase. Similarly, if on the top of the cupboard now you have two suitcases. Now when you want to push this suitcases down, if you just tap on this small suitcase, it will fall down. However, to push the larger suitcase, you will need more energy. Thus the metal which is easier to corrode, that is like this smaller suitcase. The electrons that are present in the metal can easily interact with the surrounding medium containing chlorides, and they can easily form compounds with the substrate. That is the reason why the more negative element will corrode quicker, because when you have a lesser ability to hold on to electrons, or should I say you have a more tendency to reject electrons and form ions, that will make you more susceptible to corrosion, which means you will become anodic. So just like the smaller suitcase, a more negative element will require very less incentive to fall down or to corrode. This is in very simple terms. If you need a more detailed explanation, do check out the link over here, and you can add your own questions over there, or you can add it in the comments for this video as well. Thank you. Do check out this website askmemetallurgy.com.